How can you use AI to help you streamline things in your e-commerce business or help you do things better? That's a question I asked myself when I started learning about OpenAI's Chat GPT and DALL products. So I've put together this video with some ideas on how you can use OpenAI to help you create better emails. So let's jump into it. Hey, my name's Rod. Hopefully you can't hear the leaf blower outside. Why is it that when you create a video, there's always somebody with a leaf blower that just starts up outside? I don't know why that happens. The recent developments in AI, I think, are very exciting, and the applications as to how you can use these tools in your e-commerce business is pretty much limitless. But in today's video, I just want to talk about how you can apply it when it comes to your email marketing. And I'm going to give you 5 different examples that I've come up with that can illustrate how it can streamline and improve how you do things already. So let's jump on the computer. So the first thing you need to do, if you don't already have an account, is to go to OpenAI and just sign up. So if you go to try and you're not logged in, then you'll be asked to sign up for a beta account, and it's completely free. That's the first thing you need to do. Now let's have a look at some of the ideas that I've tried out here. So the first one was, how about if we write some alternative subject lines? So I've got a question here. I've got one of our clients that wrote an email with the subject line, "What's in Santa's sack?" So let's ask ChatGPT this question and see what it comes up with. Pretty cool, huh? So you could have ChatGPT rewrite some alternative subject lines for you. What I like about ChatGPT is that it helps you get the creative juices flowing. So it gives you something to start with, especially when you're trying to write copy, whether it's subject lines or body text or preview text or whatever it might be. The process of brainstorming ideas is, I think, where tools like ChatGPT really shine. So let's have a look at some other ideas. I've used this already for one of my clients where we just wanted to get some ideas for the body text to use in an email. So I'll show you what I did there. So this is the idea here. We wanted to write the email body text for an e-commerce business in the cider space that is running a promotion where people can buy 1 case of cider and get 1 free. So let's see what ChatGPT comes up with there for us. Not bad. Pretty good place to start. That's a lot better than a lot of copy that I've seen written by humans. All right, so for idea number 3, just referring to my notes here, I wanted to get some image ideas to use in the header of an email. So let's see what we did. And then I've also applied a twist on that. Once I've got the ideas for the images, I'm then using OpenAI's DALL to actually then produce the image. So first of all, let's get the ideas about the header images. So here's our text into ChatGPT. All right, so we've got some ideas here. I have already tried out this one here with the DALL preview, which is to generate a close-up shot of a variety of tropical fish swimming in a large aquarium. And you can see that one here as to what I came up with. But I'm interested in how it handles this one here. So let's just try this out. Okay, there are a little bits kind of sketchy. So let's say cartoon images. If we wanted to do something that was a bit more fun. Yeah, okay. I don't know if you'd want to use those in an email. So let's move on to the next tip. And now there's somebody who just started a lawnmower up outside. Thank you very much. Now, one thing that ChatGPT is really good at is helping you with code. And in particular, when you're using a system like Klaviyo for sending your emails, there's lots of template tags or codes that you can use to personalize your messaging. So let's have a look at one of those. So the example I want to use here is, I want the Klaviyo template tag to include the date 14 days from today that is in that particular format. So let's see how ChatGPT handles that. Okay, that's pretty good. I wonder if we can actually have this so it's all set on one line. Let's try that. Wow, that's pretty amazing. So that saves you from having to wade through lots of different documentation, and that there is the one-liner. So how would you use that piece of code in an email? Well, for example, if you are using some sort of abandoned cart sequence or abandoned checkout sequence, and you're providing people with a unique coupon code that expires 14 days from today, well, then you could add in to the copy somewhere in the email to say, okay, your code will expire on this particular day. You can use that template tag to actually insert that into your email, which is pretty cool. So that's been 5 ideas. I have one more I wanted to show you as a bonus. And this is where ChatGPT can help you with brainstorming ideas for new email newsletter campaigns, for example. So let's jump back on the computer. So what I want to do is give me 3 email newsletter campaign ideas for an e-commerce business in the electrical products vertical, which happens to be where one of our clients are, e.g. PowerPoint, switches, cables, lighting, who has just introduced a new product line in home automation. So let's give that a go on a new tab. All right, so what have we got? We've got introducing the new home automation product line. Cool. Home automation bundle deals and home automation tips and tricks. Pretty useful. So I'm super impressed by what you can do with ChatGPT and not so much with DALL, but then I haven't really used it very much. So I think perhaps the way I'm putting my queries in could probably be a lot better. So have you been using AI or ChatGPT to help you do things better in your e-commerce business? I'd love to hear what your ideas are. If you've got any, just put them in the comments down below. And if you did find this video useful, or you find any of the videos useful on my channel, that means you're in the audience that I'm aiming at. Please hit the like button and click subscribe if that's you, and I'll catch you in the next video.